So we're going to work on exercise 4-1. And on this one, we're going to validate some data that's being entered by the user. They're going to enter the purchase price for an item, and if the value entered is greater than a credit limit of 8,000, a specific text will be displayed. Else, it will just say approved. So we need to have this if-else statement, if you will, input into our program. So we're going to start out here. Backspace, and I'll do enter. My indentation should be right, straight out of the gate. And I'll create a double. I'll call it price. And we'll do our right line. And what do we want them to do? Enter a purchase price for an item. I'll just use the text that they gave me. Colon and a space. A semicolon at the end of my statement. It will come down with a new line. Now, whatever they enter, price will receive that value. So price is equivalent to, I want the data to be in the form of a double. And then we'll have to parse what we read in, which is our read line. There we go. So we'll have our read line. We'll parse whatever received from read line, convert that into a double, and that will be the value assigned to the price variable. We come down. Now we have to take that and create our conditional. So we'll have our if, and we'll have our open and close parentheses where we put our condition. If price is greater than 8,000, so that's our condition. If it exceeds, greater than or exceeds 8,000. Now, they could have said greater than or equal to. They said just greater than. Now, I don't terminate this because now we got to go on to the conditional. After the closing parentheses, we just hit enter. It'll indent correctly for us. And we'll do our right line. And then we will say exactly what they said there. Okay. And then we'll come down. Now we say else. Enter. And I'll do another one of these. I love copying and pasting. And there we go. I'll wrap that up. And they said approved is what they want as an output. And I'll just paste that in there. So if that condition is true, this line gets exercised, or executed, I should say. You have exceeded the credit limit. If that statement is not true, then approved gets output. So we'll go ahead and run it and see what it does. Enter a price for an item, 9500, enter. You have exceeded the credit limit. Okay, on the new interface here, we come over to the left and check to see what they wanted. Credit limit checked correctly. Let's see what it does. It says I haven't done it yet. We'll go ahead and run our checks. And Cody is still here. It's just hiding now. So, yeah, I submitted a lot of tickets last term for issues that I had with this interface. And somebody said the other day, yeah, you're the guy that killed Cody. I didn't kill Cody. They just moved Cody around so that you get a better understanding of what they expect from you, and you can see what it is they're looking for and see the details. It's a little more clear in what they're asking for and what they're looking for. So they may ask for one thing, but they're actually looking for something else in some cases. Always be sure when you see you have exceeded the credit limit, what is it that happens up here? Because sometimes they'll say these things, the two match, the green and the blue, but up here they don't match, or they say, yeah, this is what we wanted, this is what you got, you didn't get it right. If we look up in the output, we can see exactly what it is that we outputted. Okay, so we've got 100%. Let's move on to 4-2.